Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your gender and change it on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings, and here as you see you will find gender. Click on it. Here you can change your gender and click done, and it will be saved. And that's it. That's how to change your gender on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.